Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Uh, in today's video, we are going to show you how we can add the product, and we are going to add our first product. I have already added some dummy products for the later on work, but for this tutorial, I am going to teach you how we can add a product manually. So let's move forward to the video without wasting your time. So let's start. Okay, first of all, go to the product tab, and after that click on add product. So for adding product, there should be a product title. Let's say I put it as I am Shopify expert t-shirt. Okay, this is going to be our product. Oops. Okay, I am a Shopify expert t-shirt. This is going to be our first product. So here we have a status. Whatever you want to put this product as active product will be show on your store, and draft product will not be show. They will be available in your product section, but they will not be shown on Shopify front end. Okay, so after the title, we need a description. I already make a description. Actually, I generated it through the ChatGPT. I said I have a product t-shirt, written on it is as a Shopify expert. Please generate a description. Okay, let's go back to our store. Here I will paste it. So this is going to be our title, and this is the description. The third thing we need to add images. So I already created two mockups. One is black and one is white. Okay, so then move to the category. What we category have, it's actually a kind of t-shirt. Okay, shirts and tops. प्रोडक्ट टाइप है हमारे पास, it is shirt. So who is going to the vendor? Let's put it as Ecom Secrets. Collection, in which collection you are here. One thing you need to notice here, that is only a home page collection is showing. So this collection, the manual collection created in the back end, will be shown here. I will told you about this later on. Okay, let's show it on the home page collection for now. So tags, in tags we have called it is t-shirt. Okay, we have black t-shirt. Also we have a white t-shirt. Okay, then move to the prices. Let's say original price of the product is 25. Okay, but we are actually going to sell it on a sale price. For the setting the sale price, let's say it is 20. Okay, so we also mark it as a charge product tax on this product, or whatever you don't want to charge tax on this product. So let's say we have to calculate the profit and margin. Let's say the cost was 10 USD. So we have a 50% margin and profit of 10. Track quantity, what we have actually, let's say I have 5 pieces of it. Okay. Selling when out of stock, it should not be needed. Has a SKU. So we need a stock keeping unit which is used to identify which product is. For example, when you're going to a store, there you should be you should write that there is kind of code written on the product. So this is actually the SKU. Let's say this is shirt 123. Okay, this is our SKU for this shirt. Okay, yes, this is kind of physical product. You have to mark it. If you don't mark it, then your customer will not be able to check it. It will be counted as a digital product instead of that. So let's say its weight is 200 gram. Country or region हमारा क्या है इसका भी we don't have to touch it for now. Okay, so the next thing is adding option, color and variants. Okay, let's say first of all define the color. You can see that we have two colors, white and the second one is black. Okay, so the other option, as it's a t-shirt, it must be have some kind of sizes. Let's say extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and then double X large. Okay. Oh, oops. So we have color and sizes. So the next thing is adding the variant color. So it's a white. Let's add a white color, and this is black. Let it add black color. Okay, so all set for this first product. Let me save it. They said the title can't be black. What happened to the title? Why it's got deleted? Okay, let me add it again. Ecom. Sorry, I am Shopify expert t-shirt. Okay, let's save it. So congratulations on adding your first product, and congratulations to you guys for learning how to add your first product. Okay, now let's view it on online store. Click on the catalog. The catalog, you can see that here is our first product. Okay, the vendor is Ecom Secrets, shares in I am Shopify expert t-shirt, prices, and then white black variant. Then we have a sizes, and quantity, description, and everything like. So here you are seeing that there is no black shirt. It's saying the sold out. Like for the other sizes, it's all saying that it's sold out. So go to the back end and adjust the quantity for them also. Okay, for example, for this one, so we have a 0 for them. Let's say it's a 5. It's also a 5. It's also a 5. This is also 5. This is also 5. Actually, when first I added it, you can see that it was actually a simple product. No variants were there. Then we added the variants, and after adding the variants, it's needed that we should update the inventory for each variant. Okay, let me save it and recheck it. So it's fine now. You can see that when I click on the black, it's black is appearing. When I click on the white, it's white is appearing. We have different sizes. We can buy it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for adding the product. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. For any query, you can ask in the comment section. In the next video, we are going to explore the collections and like so on. So it will be a series of the video. Then definitely you should subscribe the YouTube channel so that you can get every update we have. Thank you once again for watching this video. For any question, please comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.